Hello, Fairfax County Public Schools. Today we're near a school. We're really over here at the Edison Maintenance Center with all the wonderful support employees that make sure our buildings are in top shape each and every day. But we're also talking about growing the future and back to Fairfax. We want to get the best and brightest teachers to come and be a part of Fairfax County Public Schools. But we also need great people in support positions to come in Fairfax. Kevin, you're the dean of all this. Do you have anything you want to share to Fairfax Countty Public Schools
today? No, just talking
today?
about 30 years of working here in the system. I mean, it's a good system, and you got a lot of good people to work with here.
Jose, how are you?
Tomorrow.
Nice to meet you.
Students.
Hi. What's your name? Nice to meet you. How do you like it so far?
I like it.
Yeah?
It's interesting.
What are you really enjoying most so far in doing the Trades for Tomorrow program?
I just started last week.
Okay.
On Wednesday. So
Wow.
I haven't done too much, but I've been working on ballast, checking lights and stuff like that, which I'm already kind of used to.
Jose, the electrician world is in such high demand, right? It's like every company, including Fairfax County Public Schools, is looking to find electricians.
Exactly.
What do you like about this program?
Just a chance for someone as young as Luz to kind of get the experience, a real hands-on experience of the trade world. And that's what I like about the program, is that they'll come and see what we do on a day-to-day basis, and if they're interested, they have the opportunity. They already have the knowledge of the school system, so
Right.
this
Yeah.
was an easy fit
Yeah.
for us.
Joseph?
Yeah, how's it going?
Dr. Brabrand, good to see you.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, John. How are you? So how do you like it so far? Trades for Tomorrow, we're restarting it. What do you think?
I love it. It's a good learning experience.
Yeah? What are you liking so far the best?
The work, like I get experience outside of school.
And then John is the one who was an intern in the past.
Oh, John, too crazy. What year were you an intern?
It was in 2002. I do believe that the internship kind of paved the way for
Right.
that. It kind of got my foot in the door, and I got to have the opportunity to meet and work with all of the employees. And had I not had that opportunity, I don't know if I would have had the opportunity to work. So I really liked the program.
We really want to try to create a seamless transition from students to interns to full-time employees, so that we know a lot of folks are reaching their age where they can retire and leave Fairfax County Public Schools, and we got to get the next generation in. We've already got CTE programs that are doing these trade skills.
Yeah.
We just need to make the match. Hey,
Hello.
what's your name?
Kevin.
Dr. Brabrand, good to see you, man. How do you like Trades for Tomorrow so far?
It's great.
What do you like about it?
Well, just going in the field, get experience, hands-on.
What experience, what area of expertise are you working on in the Trades for Tomorrow right now?
Basically in the HVAC department.
Does it make you feel more energized to like do schoolwork now that you found something that's...
Yeah.
Yeah?
To get like my grades up and graduate to join the trade soon.
Love it. Do you feel the same way, Joseph?
I already finished government class.
Really? So you feel like you've sped up your work as a result of having this internship, huh?
Yeah.
Wow. You know, to me, that's the thing too. Like, until there's a connection, why am I doing all this?
You got it.
Right? Why am I doing all this? So, awesome, awesome. These are great jobs where you're going to make a living, right? There are a lot of kids coming back scrambling to find opportunities in the job market, and here are ready-made opportunities just right here in Fairfax County.
I would almost venture to say that all of our trades for tomorrow will be with FCPS employees.
Well, thanks again, Craig. Really
Thank you
appreciate it.
for
Kevin?
coming.
Thank you.
Thanks, John. All of you, really appreciate it. Another great day in Fairfax County Public Schools.